I am ready for the bright, vibrant makeup looks. And that's what we're gonna do today. For some reason, I'm in like this greenish kind of mood, and that's where we're going with this. I'm applying some concealer onto my lid. That's always what I do to play as my primer. The eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using today is by Lottie London. Hopefully I'm saying that right. And this is the Totally Mint palette. I'm here for the color scheme. I'm gonna use this color first in my crease. It's always good to add a soft brown color into your crease. That way you create a bit of definition in that space. Next, I'm gonna add this green to the other eye because obviously I did it on this eye already. Not gonna lie, the eyeshadow itself feels a little bit on the chalky side. So I feel like it looks kind of patchy. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm going to try to make it work because I'm already this far in and I don't feel like wiping it off. Next, I'm going to take this Aqua Pencil by Makeup Forever, and this is in the color Lagoon. Jeez Louise, a big chunk came out. If you notice, the closer it got to the outer corner, the higher up I brought the eyeliner, and now I'm going to smudge it out. So I'm using a smudger brush, and I'm also, whatever's like left on the brush, I'm going to now bring it into the crease just a little bit, not all the way in, just to make that outer corner look a little sharper and cleaner. Now I'm gonna take this color right here and kind of blend it on top of the eyeliner to soften it up. Again, these eyeshadows are a little bit on the chalky side, but we're gonna make it work, okay? All right, so you see me pressing the eyeshadow over the eyeliner and then bringing it into the crease. I'm gonna have to add more of the green because I see it kind of disappearing, but yeah. So my eyelids are done. I'm gonna finish up my face and then we'll jump right back into the eyes to complete the look. I'm back, so let's finish up these eyes. I'm adding the Icebreaker eyeliner by ColourPop into my waterline. Now I am just smoking out the outside of my waterline with the same two eyeshadows that I have on my lid. I'm gonna add this to the inner corner. I'm using Ritzy Lashes by Lily Lashes, and we are all done. Here is a close-up look.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kinda funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.